Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. We are here at the skate park this time. First time using the crane at the skate park. We are going to be testing out these 3D printed parts right here. So hopefully nothing breaks, but I doubt it, to be honest. Let's go. Hey. Oh. Oh, saved it. Oh, alright, so my goal for this is to try to hit that and try to grind it at least. That's gonna be my goal. No, my body. Thing. That's on a brushed one. Oh my god, perfectly. And did it so perfect. Oh. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Both of them crashed. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh, what happened? I think it flipped over. Oh, it broke. All right, go. Go. Oh, my steering sucks. Oh. All right, so he's gonna try to get his mini max. Got this. If he doesn't, it's game over, bro. Chassis will be done. Oh. Oh, I wasn't ready, but he did it. All right, so next we're gonna try to get the crane over there. Try to gap it. I don't want to hit the fence. Bye, crane. Oh.